In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Binance customer support. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Binance application. And as you're able to tell, I do have an issue with my account. In order to fix this, what we need to do is we need to go to the top right and select on our profile icon like so. Then go ahead and press on this option that does say get help. And this will basically allow you to speak with a live agent. So let's go ahead and press on that. So over here, it will actually give you some suggestions of what you might be looking for. So we have changing my phone number, experiencing login issues, completing basic or advanced verification, which is my particular issue. And we also do have need help buying/selling crypto. And we also do have a bunch of other stuff as well. We have an FAQ that will basically answer some basic questions. But let's go ahead and press on completing basic or advanced. And basically, whenever you have selected on your issue, it is basically going to put you in a chatbot. And this chatbot will basically tell you what to do and how to fix it. So look, you can go ahead and talk to the bot by typing in chat. And it's going to give you like related questions as well that you guys can go ahead and press on. So I'm just going to be selecting on my account verification failed. Sorry to see that you're having problems. Please ensure that you're trying to log into Binance. So there's a lot of great options over here. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.